First, the PCB has to be exported from CAD as a DXF and imported as the board outline in EasyEDA. Now we can start placing the footprints of the components on each side of the PCB. I find that having the datasheet up along with EasyEDA helps a lot. After we have all of our components placed, we can start running the traces. And this is what we end up with. We have a PCB with all of our components laid out on it and all the traces run. This segment is sponsored by JLCPCB, who offer great low-cost PCBA service perfect for hobbyists. The first step in ordering PCBs is to export your bill of materials, Gerber files, and the pick and place file. Next, let's head over to JLCPCB.com and upload our files onto the quote page. Here you can select your PCB color, thickness, and copper weight along with a lot more options. JLC makes their ordering process super easy to use, and they even offer 4, 6, and 8 layer PCBs starting at $2. If you're interested, you can click the link in the description and receive a $60 new user coupon. After configuring your PCB and checking your part placement, you can get a preview of what your PCB will look like. After clicking continue, you can see that 5 PCBs with assembly and part costs ended up only being around $20. About a week later, I received my PCBs in mail. As you can see, the quality of these PCBs is really nice, especially for the price, and even the PCB assembly turned out really well, with all of the circuitry working properly on the first try. The part placement on the PCBs is perfect, and all of the solder joints were robust and precise. Now I'll let you sit back, relax, and enjoy some soldering. Sorry about that. I've just been having some fun with this video. So I unfortunately don't have a lot of videos of the device working after I finish soldering, because out of the blue the screen I was using started to act up in response to the magnetic field from the magnet inside the knob. I would kind of move the magnet around the screen and get static on the screen that couldn't be fixed by reflashing the code, and I even tried replacing the screen entirely, and I wasn't able to fix it that way either. So there's a possibility that either the microcontroller that I'm using is fried, or I messed up some sort of SPI bus on the microcontroller itself. So what you're seeing right now is videos I have of the device working that I took on my phone before, I guess, it got fried. I may try to fix the issue in the future if people continue to show interest in the videos and the project. But I guess you can enjoy the videos and pictures I do have while I softly cry in the corner. The video is over now, but if you want to stick around for a few minutes, I'm going to talk a little bit about the channel. We recently actually hit 100 subscribers on the channel, and I think about 5,000 views as well. I'll put that up somewhere on the screen. But I just wanted to say thanks for supporting my hobby, and I'm just using this channel as kind of a documentation for myself, so I can look back and see all the projects that I've been working on and all the things that I've been doing. But thank you for being interested anyway. So yeah, so the production quality of the videos, I've been trying to increase it a little bit since there are some people watching now. I think one of my videos got almost 2,000 views, one of the Quark series of videos. So I've been trying to kind of increase the production quality. I have a little bit of a nicer mic and a newer camera, which you may have noticed if you watch some of the older videos that were kind of crappy quality, but I'm trying to make that better for people watching. Do let me know in the comments though if there's anything I can improve on. I am trying to, some of the videos are going to be kind of higher effort, like more of a production, like this one, and some of the videos are going to be a little bit lower effort and just going to be logs for my own, you know, portfolio and things like that. So look out for the higher production quality videos, and the other ones are kind of just for me, so you can just not worry about those if you don't want to. And finally, shockingly, I got a sponsor for this video. So there's going to be an ad about halfway through the video. I think it's about 40 seconds long. I'll put a bar on the bottom of that too in case you want to skip it. But JLCPCB, I reached out to them and asked them if they wanted to sponsor the video. Even though I don't have that many subscribers, and even though my audience isn't that big, they agreed, which just shows, I guess, if you ask nicely and politely, then you can get a lot more than you think you can. So they haven't paid me, but they've offered to pay for the PCBs used in this video, so they sent them to me for free. They're not paying me to promote them, but I'm happy to do it because I've been using JLCPCB for a long time, and I do actually believe that they offer a good service. They have pretty cheap PCBs for the quality, and I use them a lot, so I figured I'd better reach out. But anyway, thank you for listening if you've been listening, and thanks for watching.